Like, those things really like stay on, like they are on there and they don't come off. Like, I gotta try me one. So hey guys, as I was about to call this a day and go grab me some food to eat, guess what happened? This came in the package. Oh my gosh, this came in the package. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. And I know y'all probably wondering why I'm so excited. Okay, I'll tell you. Just give me a second. All right, so the other day my sister sent me this video and I was like, you know, what's so special about this video? Why are you sending me this? When I went on the video, it was a girl putting on an eyelash, but it was the magnetic eyelashes, and I'm like, those things really like stay on, like they are on there and they don't come off. Like, I gotta try me one. I am about to rip it open. Like, my nails won't rip it, but okay, I'm gonna be careful and try to pull this properly. Like, I'm honestly taking my my tweezer to rip the box, I swear. Barbaric, like I'm literally being barbaric right now. But I'm gonna be careful because honestly I do not want to, you know, damage the product already. So it says magnetic lashes and liner kit, and I got 10 pairs of magnetic lashes. I get 2 magnetic liner. I'm gonna be opening the package. Please, please, please do not be disappointed. Please do not be disappointed. I'm not even looking. Like, please do not be disappointed. Oh my gosh, look at them, look at them. Let me tell you how it feels. It feels a little bit soft, so that's good. Oh my gosh, please just work for me. Like, all I want you to do is work for me. So I got the applicator right here. So it came with an applicator. It came with 2 magnetic liner. Let me see how I pull this out. Thank you. So it came with 2 magnetic liners as well. So here's the other one inside. Let me see. I want to see how it looks and smell. It smells. I mean, it smells okay, I guess. It does have a tiny bit of a smell. I'm trying to say what it smells like, but I don't know. Glue? I don't know. I don't know why I even smelled it. Like, who does that? Like, who smells eyeliner? Like, I'm gonna put this one on. I don't know if you're going to be able to see me pull it off. Okay. I hope you saw. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put on the liner. I'm just going to test it on my hand to see if it will hurt me. Ooh, okay, it feels sticky. Feels sticky. Okay. Wish me luck, guys. I'm going to be going in right now. I feel it's like tingling, like it's burning. Okay, so I think it says 1 to 2 layers. Let me see. Okay, so it says to apply 2 layers. I just did 1. I'm gonna do another one. I feel like a little tingling here. I'm waiting. I'm kind of trying to see if it will go away, or I'll need to go wash this off because this is my eye. I can't risk my eye getting like screwed up for an eyelash. I got a little bit on my eyelash, so I'm just gonna pull it off. I got my hand on there. See? I'm excited but scared because there's a little tingling, so I'm a little scared. It's not dried yet. They said to let it dry, so I'm just waiting to see if this is going to work. I think if this worked, like, I could recommend this for you guys. Instead of you spending a lot of time fighting with your lash, you could pop this on. Like, I know I'm going pretty slow, and it's because I'm being super careful. This is my eye, and I felt a little tingling. I mean, I don't feel it anymore, but before I did, so it's a little scary. So I'm just gonna see if this works. So I'm gonna grab a scissors, and I'm just gonna clip those little stuff there so they don't poke me in my eye. It does come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnets on it. Right, so I'm gonna put it on right now. I'm gonna use my finger because it keeps sticking to this thing. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe how easy this was to apply. Like, honestly, I did not have to fight. Wait, something feels wrong here. The only thing I would say, it does not feel as lightweight as my other lashes. Like, I can feel that there is something on my eye when I blink. I swear, like, there is a slight stabbing feeling right here. Okay, I think I fixed it. I just needed to push it back. Well, if I push it back, it comes off. So did this fail? I'm gonna apply the other one and see, and then I'll give my final thoughts on what I think on it, and if I actually think it makes sense for beginners or not. Alright, so I'm going to put it on right now. Alright, so I think I figured out what the issue is with this sticky filling. Alright, so this one may not put on as great as I want it to because I removed it. So my final thoughts are this. Okay, they're still good. I thought we were gonna have to, you know, toss it, throw it out. That makes no sense. Like, just get rid of it. Like, oh my gosh, waste of money or whatever. But I'm happy to say it was not a waste of money. I'm gonna start off with the cons first. Con is that I feel the lash being on, and it's not like it's heavy, but it's not lightweight either. Out here, I can feel it being on. Now to pro. It is, oh my gosh, good for beginners. Like, you don't gotta be trying to look down in the mirror, trying to like fight it. Like, you saw I just put on the liner, let it dry, and then popped it on, and it went on perfectly. It went on so good. Like, so is this good for a beginner? Yes, it is good for beginners. So if you want to wear a lash, I mean, you can get this one if you want. This is the one that I bought. I got it on Amazon. There are varieties you can choose from. There are dramatic, there are, you know, regular lashes that are not so dramatic, so you have varieties you can choose from. For me, these are short, but I really do like them because they are super cute. I did not expect that they were gonna be so cute, but girl, yes, they are very easy to use. Please, if you decide to get this one, read the instructions. So if you want to try out putting on lashes and you don't want to go the regular way of putting on lashes, perfect. I will be wearing this like majority of the time. I mean, it does not feel bad. Like, honestly, these lashes are bomb. I love them, and they're short, which is like, oh my gosh, like, okay, I'm so glad that it did not disappoint me. These lashes are bomb. There are strips on them, so please clean off the lashes when you take them off. Clean them off properly. The instructions should be there on how to clean them off, and then attach it back and put it right back in the case like I didn't do. But guys, perfect for beginners. I love it. I honestly love it. My only thing I would say, do not put it too close into the corner of your eyes, because that's where the sticky feeling came in. And I was wondering if that's what I did, because sometimes I like to put my lashes there to give me like just a little flare. So I do put them sometimes a little bit in the corner. Like, it's so cute. Like, it is so cute. Like, I love it. So thank you guys for watching me put this on. If you were here with me until the end, mwah! Thank you so much for watching me do this for you guys. Let me know in the comment below if you're going to give lashes a chance, magnetic lashes, okay? Let me know in the comment below. I am so excited to hear what you guys say. For me, love them. Remember, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed yet, darling, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, I appreciate that. You can also follow me on Instagram if you are not following me on Instagram yet. Tell me why not. Like, why not? Why are we not connecting on Instagram? And if you're going to buy these magnetic lashes, tag me in some posts. Let me see those cute lashes work. I love this one. If you want to try any magnetic lash of your choice, that is totally fine, girl. Like, try whatever you want. Just tag me and let me know that I tried magnetic lashes, and let me know how it works for you. Bye, guys.